We're in the lab, we're having fun. Call up your friends and tell them that another video's done. We're in the lab, making you proud. If you're ready for adventure, let me hear you shout. It's labs out loud, out loud, out loud, out loud. It's labs out loud.
Alright guys, so we just changed bed of everything and now we're going to dinner. Yes, it's now late. That's the time. We were supposed to reach 8:30 and it's now to 9. So let us try hurry up. So guys, beside every elevator you have a hand sanitizer. That's a COVID measure that they have put in place. You also have hand sanitizers all over the property. And of course you can walk with your own. Elevators here. So we're kind of matching. My hair matches Rachel's cardigan and her dress matches Colette's dress. Yes! Let's go.
As far as the wind blows from the west to the east side.
Hey, love squad. Hey, love squad.
I know that must get defeated. Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, I know you've never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to
You come when everything finished, man. Should I come look earlier when you're like pretty? Everything dead out now.
Well, that was the cover. This is the original. I don't know why your people so lucky tonight, but I'ma blame it on my friend here from Nigeria. My prince, my brother, son of the king, forward. I love you like a brother from another mother. The owner of this hotel couldn't afford me. I'm telling you people, I don't come out for free like this. But on a night like this, my energy is high. And I'm just flying. I feel like I want the wonderful people to enjoy their dinner and listen to a world-class Jamaican reggae singer. I challenge you, one of the best you can find. By the way, this song is the first song that I ever produced. Anyone care to listen? This is a vital piece of history about my career. There's a lot of negatives out there on the night, you gotta watch it. But I never say shh. When they talk about me, I don't go filter their stories by answering people. Let them talk. So you will never hear my side until one day I feel like explain. If I do want to explain. Anyway, this song is called That Girl, and this was the first song I decided to spend some of my money on to produce a song for myself, try to be a producer. And I don't know how much views this song is on YouTube. You can Google it. It's called That Girl. So, the first time I tried to produce myself to see what a producer can do, this song earned me a quite amount of views, and it was on my first album that I was nominated for Grammy Awards in the US someplace. Never been in the US anyway, but I was lucky enough to nominate it to Grammy. Maybe I could do it again, this time I'll be to the US. Hopefully. Anyway, too much talking, right? When I find that girl, I left her down, I swear that girl. Ooh, she ain't the one for me. She wanted to miss for life, go beat ya. When I find that girl, I hold her down, I swear that girl. She be the one that conquers me. I love you, take control of me. Hey, hey, hey. Could you be in front of my face? Yeah, good love, something that I wanna embrace. Hey, yeah. Could you be at one of my shows? Oh, yeah, good love, something I wanna. Oh, yeah. I got a king size bed, but no queen to share with me. So you wanna know your name? Right now, 'cause when I find that girl, guess what, my brethren? The money's heavy down my pocket too much. I gotta be putting on my pants. I think you're gonna slow down. Don't give me no more. Cause you're my brother from another mother, but I love you. All is the same. Beautiful people tonight. I'm getting a little bit tipsy. I don't want to miss a note. So guess what? I love you. Enjoy what you get. You're so blessed. You can tell a million guests from now they can come back to S Hotel all they want. Only way this is gonna happen unless the owner for the hotel consult me on the contract. Otherwise, no other guest in the world wouldn't be so lucky. You can go look at my name. Follow me on Instagram. I'm not the most famous, but I got some fans. Love you all.
I can't believe that.
I'm coming up with
Hey guys. Let me see your place.
So don't get too excited.
Hey! And the next thing you know, unconditional love. Unconditional love. She ain't looking for the diamond. Ain't digging for the gold. Just somebody to love. Unconditional love.
First of January, city starting over. You're out with information, taking a new position, yeah. And it makes 6 months since you got sober, taking a new decision, making a decision. And she had to go to serve. Got what you came for. Just as soon as she says hello, hello, you never see them coming. Then the next thing you know, unconditional love, unconditional love. You're looking for the diamond, you're digging for the gold.
Just somebody to love. Unconditional love.
I'm Joe.
Ladies and gentlemen, you've had a wonderful evening. Come on, once again, get up for yourselves. Beautiful evening here at the S Hotel. You have yourself a wonderful evening.
Russia, say again. Russia, they can't keep a good night.
So every night we have to sing those songs, a tradition now. It's a bedtime ritual. Why you never go sing and get the money? No, you have your mouth.
Yeah, I know.
No.
You never know Shakira song so good. Never asking for a search.
Who has a picture?
Solid as a rock, they just can't stop me.
The next day.
Let's go to the beach, eat, let's go get away.
Hey Lab Squad, good morning. Good morning, good morning. So it's our final day here. Just woke up and I'm going to go down to breakfast. Guys, it was really an amazing weekend. I really enjoyed myself. The place is beautiful. The rooms are nice, as you can see. The property is nice. Like, you have a lot of places to get the perfect photo. Okay, so they come and scan the barcode.
The papaya sweet. No, I'm tasting it. Different flavors.
Let nice or is you enjoy yourself?
Yes.
Yeah, work tomorrow.
Oh. Oh, for sure. Well done. Thank you.
Hello, lady. No, sir. Tiffany, come catch it.
Hi, Lab Squad. I am so honored.
Yeah, man, actually do this time. Yeah, trust me. Great guys. Yeah, the sound of
Yeah, you can't keep it here, so.
Jamaica, Jamaica.
Wow. You enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
Alright. Later, tell them bye.
Joby,